guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing like an empty apartment tour. Even though our apartment really isn't empty anymore, I didn't get to film it like when we were first moving in. There was just too much going on and there was a lot of people here, so I just didn't want to film. So yeah, there's a little bit of stuff in here already, but I will tell you guys like where it's from and all that. And this lighting is freaking horrible. I look white as fuck. Before we get into the video, I just want to tell you guys to follow my Poshmark. Hold on. It's just Shelby Triglia. I am selling a whole bunch of new stuff on here right now, and you guys are quick. You guys have already bought some of the stuff that I listed, but let me just show you what's left. So I have some red leggings. And then I have these ripped jeans. And I have this little crop top. And then I have another crop top. It's just black with buttons. But yeah, I'm gonna be posting a whole bunch of more stuff on here. What's cool about Poshmark is you can literally sell anything, and if you need a little extra cash and you need to sell something quick, Poshmark is my go-to to get rid of clothes. You can also buy things off of here, so there's a lot of designer brands that are on here. Like if you want a discount on Gucci, Louis Vuitton, what else? They have Nike. They just have a whole bunch of stuff on here. Everybody's always selling stuff. So definitely go follow me because I will be posting more stuff, and I will have the link in the description to where you can follow me. Let's just get right into the video. Hello.
Hi.
So right here is the front door. You walk in through here, and then this is the living room. I already put up the Christmas tree, as you can see, and I put up our stockings. Oh, well,
spoiler alert.
Tell them. So
no.
Our son's name. So
no.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go.
I'm not gonna tell them the name, but spoiler alert.
Spoiler alert.
Our son's name, pumpkin spice, and then our stockings. And we have a fireplace. This is really nice. We're definitely gonna be using this. I just ordered our couch, so our couch is gonna go right here. We're gonna have a rug, coffee table. That's the back porch. And then right here,
Girl.
I'm just making sure you're doing it right. So right here is like the dining area, but what I think we're gonna do is just put like bar stools right here. I don't know if we're gonna put a dining table. I don't know.
Oh no, I was kind of thinking like a little love chest right here.
Yeah.
I think that would
like
be dope.
where we put our shoes on or something.
You don't know what a love chest is?
What do you mean?
Well, my mom has a love chest. Love chest, or like a memory chest.
What's that?
It's just like a box that you open up, and you can. It has shelves in it, and you can just like put memories in it, like date stuff or like family stuff.
Yeah.
You can put like baby books and stuff like that, and then it'll also be a seat. You know.
Yeah, that'd be cute. And then we have a closet here, but I'm not gonna open this up because it's just all of our shoes and just trash. Trash, trash, trash. So then you come down the hallway, and this is our kitchen. I love the kitchen. What's your favorite part?
My favorite part? It's probably the bathroom, honestly,
Really?
because you snapped with the bathroom.
Oh.
You did.
I just love the kitchen, even though like I don't really cook, but it just looks nice, you know? And yeah, so we have a Keurig right here. We got this for $40 at Walmart for their Black Friday sale. And then we got our toaster. Cutting board. Oh, I bought an Instapot. So I'm gonna try to learn how to cook. We'll see how that goes. I told Green that I will learn how to cook for him, so he can come home to food because he works always. So I'm gonna be liking this now. Yeah, this is also hardwood floor. Like everywhere is hardwood floor besides the bedrooms. Wait, did you show them this? Okay, this is so cute, but
No, I didn't show them that.
oh, show them. I'm giving it cover. So we put this up. I thought this was super cute. We got this from Walmart. So it has like the Wi-Fi and the Wi-Fi password, but you guys can't see the Wi-Fi password because it's our son's name. But yeah, we just have our keys hung up right here. Both are from Walmart. And then this is our washer and dryer. Me and Lane spent like 10 minutes today trying to figure out the washer because it's some high-tech shit. I'm not used to that.
It's like every single button was like a little tone. It was like ding ding ding.
Yeah,
like, every
and
single
it was
one.
touch screen. And like, I'm not used to that, okay? I'm used to like a simple washer.
Like just turn the knob.
Yeah. But that's some high-tech shit. This is another closet. This is our son's room, but we're not gonna open that.
Nope, just kidding.
Yeah.
Let's go.
We're not gonna show you guys the nursery yet. That's gonna be like a whole video on its own, you know? I have your body wash up there.
Because I like it up there.
Oh, okay. Okay, this is the bathroom. I low-key did snap, huh?
You did.
Okay, so the bathroom's basically already done. So I guess we'll just show you guys this. I got this from Amazon. Wait. Yeah, Amazon. I got this from Target. I got the towels from Home Goods. I got the rug from Home Goods. Both of the rugs, it came in like a set. Also, so this is our shower right now.
I hate that thing. That thing is so dumb.
Yeah, this is weird. So when you turn the shower on, the water goes off. I don't know why. When it gets hot, it goes off. So you just pull this and the water comes back out. It's kind of weird, but I really don't like this. So this apartment was newly like renovated, and they didn't do like the backsplash of the bathtub. It was supposed to be like white blocks, she said, but they didn't do it. So yeah, this really bothers me because I feel like it throws off the bathroom and it doesn't really go with it. So I'm gonna go on Amazon and get those like white block stickers. I saw Lone Fox do it to his kitchen, so I'm gonna do it to this and hopefully it works out. That's gonna be like my little DIY project. And then we move over to this section. So I got these from Walmart. I got these from Walmart. A little his and her. I thought this would be cute so I can put my skincare on it and he can put his stuff on it.
Yeah, as you can see, I'm very simple.
Yeah, he doesn't really have like a skincare.
No.
What'd you say?
I said face care. I said I didn't have a face care
He
routine.
doesn't have a face care routine.
Whatever that means.
Oh, I got this from Target, even though I kind of don't really like it.
Really? I thought that was cute.
Really? This is a diffuser. I got this from my mom's house. I stole it from her. Oh.
I just wanted to show that real quick, yeah.
Yeah, it's like a little nightlight, but it's also a diffuser with essential oils.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Can you see us?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
But yeah, this is the bathroom. Then we have Pumpkin's little... You didn't even clean that, so let's not show that. But it's perfect right there because I was wondering where we were going to put the litter box, but there's like a little opening right there and it's perfect for Pumpkin's little business, you know?
To the next one.
And then this is where the magic happens. Just kidding. So, okay, let me show you guys the bed frame. I just got this bed frame off Amazon. It's just like a simple bed frame. Honestly, Tina has the same one and she's the one who showed me this, and I was like, oh yeah, that's cute. And it's just very simple. I got it on Amazon for like $80, so.
And for all the men out there, it was super easy to build. You know, she tried to tell me that she was going to be able to build it with her and a friend. And guess what? I ended up building it right before I went to work, so that's how that went.
Yeah. I couldn't even build that bathroom shelf. It was like confusing and I didn't build it. So
Hi Spice.
our mattress is so comfortable. It's from Puffy Mattress, so I will leave them linked down in the description box if you guys want to check them out. But yeah, it literally feels like you're sleeping on a cloud.
My favorite part about the mattress would be that it conserves heat. Like a lot of mattresses, like, you know, you lay on it and you're like struggling to get warm, but with this, like, it just like absorbs your body heat and just keeps it, especially during the winter time.
Yeah.
But I feel like in the summertime it might be a little something, but
Yeah. And then, ooh, okay, so our sheets are bamboo sheets. So if you guys remember that sponsorship I did for the bamboo sheets, you guys, these sheets are so fire. They kind of look satin, but what? Oh my fuzzy. They kind of look satin, but they're not, but they're so good. I will also link those down in the description box if you want to check them out. And then our comforter is from Target. We got it on sale for $30. They were having like a 25% off sale. And so we got a really good deal on that. It also came with like these pillows. So these pillows are actually from Home Goods. These ones right here. But these are going on the couch when we get the couch. So they're not staying on here. And then this blanket is from Amazon. I paid like, it's like a queen size. I think I paid like $50 for it, but this is the shit. It keeps me super warm at night. But yeah, I mean, this is from IKEA. I'm sure you guys know. I've had this. This isn't new. This fucking mirror I got from Amazon. They played me. They played me. I thought this was like a full-size mirror with actual like light bulbs, like clear light bulbs, but it wasn't. It came like this. So make sure you look. Okay, and now when I shop on Amazon, I make sure I look in the reviews and look at the customer pictures after this one, because I'm done with Amazon playing me. So
I just don't shop online. I'd rather just see it in front of me.
Yeah, but you can't really find what you need. Or if you go shopping in person, you can't really find good things, I feel like. Because even with clothes, I can't shop at stores. Like, I have to shop online.
Or you just not be so picky. And
okay,
then
well,
and also, like, if you have a trained eye, I'm sure anybody that's good at like thrifting or anything like that, like, if you go thrifting, you have to have a good eye.
Okay, well,
And you can find some fire stuff.
you're a man. Okay.
I guess.
Another good thing about our room is that we have 2 closets.
It's kind of interesting. You know what I was thinking about? Because in the model that they showed us, they had the Jack and Jill bathroom doors.
Mhm.
But it was still a 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom.
That one was bigger, I think.
No, it was the same size. It was just opposite. The bedrooms were on the right side, and our bedrooms are on the left side.
I think it's because, oh, that one was with the 2 bathroom.
No, it was 1 bath.
No, I swear it had 2 bathrooms.
No, it was only 1 bathroom. Because it was only 1 bathroom because they had the Jack and Jill doors.
Oh. Well, this is our walk-in closet. It's really big, but I'm not going to open it because it's really messy. We have nowhere to put our clothes right now, so...
You look so good right now.
Yeah. Well, thank you. So, yeah, I'm not going to open that. But I'm just going to give you guys kind of a vision of what we're going to do with our room. So we're going to have a dresser right here. He wasn't gonna have a nightstand, but we put the kennel over there. So yeah, Spice has to sleep in a kennel because I don't trust him. And he has to go in the kennel when we leave because I don't trust his ass.
Yeah.
So.
But the TV's right there because, you know, I still needed to get my gaming on.
Yeah.
Just in the meantime.
We're gonna put this TV in the living room over the fireplace. And then we're gonna get a different TV for our room. But for now, this is right here. But we're gonna get a dresser, hang the TV on the wall. We're probably gonna have a lot of plants in our room because me and Lane both really like plants.
Yeah, that positive energy.
Yeah, that crisp air, you know. But yeah, that's basically it. I will be doing an updated like apartment tour when we have everything like decorated how we want it and it actually looks nice because right now it looks crazy. So before I close out today's video, don't forget to go follow me on Poshmark and press the link in the description box. This is the end of the apartment tour. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and like this video. Also, turn my post notifications on because for some reason, I don't know what's going on with YouTube, but like a lot of you are saying you're not getting notified for my videos. And yeah, that's whack because my views have went down too and I'm like, what the fuck is happening? So yeah, definitely turn my post notifications on and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.
Bye.